Prove that sine x over 1 plus cos x plus 1 plus cos x over sine x is equal to 2 cosec x. Hence solve that sine x over 1 plus cos x plus 1 plus cos x over sine x is equal to 4 over root 2, x being between 0 and 2 pi. The left-hand side of this identity, if we first make a common denominator, so sine x times 1 plus cos x, which means I would have to multiply that by sine x, that becomes sine squared, and this would have to be plus 1 plus cos x all squared. So that gives you sine squared x, and then expanding this we get 1 plus 2 cos x plus cos squared x over sine x times 1 plus cos x. Now, sine squared x plus cos squared x is equal to 1, so we're going to replace these two here with just a 1. So we're going to have 1 plus cos x plus the 1 from sine squared x plus cos squared x over sine x times 1 plus cos x. So that's going to just write that out again. So 1 plus 1 is 2, so we're going to have 2 plus 2 cos x over sine x times 1 plus cos x. Common factor here of 2, so there's a technique of factorizing. So 2 times 1 plus cos x over sine x, 1 plus cos x, they cancel out, and therefore we know that 1 over sine x is cosec x, so we get 2 times cosec x, which is equal to the right hand side. We now have to solve the original thing. Sine x over 1 plus cos x plus 1 plus cos x over sine x is 4 over root 2. But 2 cosec x, this is from part A, is equal to 4 over root 2. Cosec, dividing by 2, we're going to have cosec x is 2 over root 2. And then 1 over sine x will be 2 over root 2, which means that sine x will be root 2 over 2. Sine to the minus 1 of root 2 over 2 is pi by 4. We're solving between 0 and 2 pi. So do our South Asian Tennis Club. We want to know it's positive, so sine is positive in the first quadrant. So draw an angle with the x-axis, pi over 4. And in the second quadrant, draw an angle in the second quadrant with against the x-axis, pi over 4. And therefore, x will be pi over 4. Or x will be pi minus pi by 4, which is 3 pi by 4. So we've got two solutions, pi by 4 and 3 pi by 4. So this has been a video to show you how to prove a trig identity and then use it to solve an equation. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.